Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 97. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Jiyoyan and Akshu. The two of them are still in the room. Akshu hugging Jiyoyan right now. Well, they really embrace each other. Probably because of what happened. But Akshu right now is being defensive. She wants to protect Jiyan. Jiyan, she really wants Akshu to be by her side. At this moment, Jiyan is embracing Akshu behind her back. Jiyan seems to be enjoying it. Well, for Jiyan, her emotions are being heightened because of what happened. Now, she's been relying to Akshu. Akshu, she's like, now she's having a baby that needs to protect too. Well, Jiyan, she was acting like a lost child right now, who sticks together with Akshu all the time. Well, of course, Akshu, she cannot leave her like this, especially right now. Akshu suddenly said to Jiyan, are you at ease right now? Well, Jiyan said, it will take a while. Of course, she's also been shocked. But what can they do? These things are really unavoidable. Sometimes it was really shocking. If you really encountered it, just to make her calm down right now. Akshu, she grabbed the hands of Jiyan. She was holding her. Akshu said to her, I'm scared now. Don't be so impulsive next time. Well, of course, the two of them were really scared. But thankfully, the bodyguard of Akshu really come in time. But oppressors has been oppressed on time. At this moment, Akshu said to her, at least you can rely more on others. Well, of course, she was right. Jiyan trying to be a brave girl right now, but she didn't control the situation, and that's put her into more real trouble. Thankfully, it was Akshu's. She really helped her suppress the oppressor. Like you, I have asked Xiao Xiao to help me book a flight ticket to Beijing tomorrow. I will go back to meet my grandfather. Oh, this is it. Based on the novel, Akshu will confront her grandfather about what happened this. Her grandfather will punish the director. Well, given though the situation, the two of them are getting slow. Right now, they looking at each other. Probably, they both really scared. Well, do you mind if I intervene in this matter? Akshu said to Jiyan. No, I just think. Did it cause you trouble? Well, of course, right now. Jiyan, she think that it was really big trouble. But of course, Akshu, she won't really get it slight. If I don't find it troublesome. Right now, Akshu, she was holding hands with Jiyan. Of course, she will be happy to help in this case, especially Jiyan is the reason why she want to intervene in this case. I'm not afraid of trouble, Akshu now, but she was afraid. Ata's family think I am in trouble. Of course, the family of the director is also influential, but given the situation, most influential family, Akshu's grandfather. Of course, Akshu need her grandfather to be able to solve this case. Someone got interrupted them. Teacher G, I've taken a shower. Oh, it turns out the two of them are suddenly surprised. Well, they look really both straight. But seeing this little girl, the good condition right now, Akshu said, are you feeling better? Well, it seems so. She seems to be fine. Well, she was really lucky. That time, Jiyan was there and able to help her. Jiyan, seeing her, seems to be normal. Of course, she was really happy, even though she suffered a little damage from that director. But it's not worried. Jiyan right now. She seems to be calm because Akshu was there. Are there any other injuries on your body? Do you really don't want to go to the hospital? But the little girl said, I'm fine. Thank you, Mr. G. Well, this is good. At least the three of them are safe. Finally, the oppressor has been catch. Rector, he must really wrong move today. Your body is fine. Mind me as to what happened tonight. Akshu, she really want to know the truth on what's happening today. Akshu, right now, a few hours before this happened, Akshu was really drunk, but right now, because of what happened to Jiyan, if you don't want to say it, you cannot say it. But it seems that you don't want to talk about it. The two girls, however, if you need me to help you with the aftermath, Jiyan said, I hope you can communicate with me. Well, at least they're really sure about helping the little girl to solve this problem. Miss Jing, I'm Shaudi, who helped me talk to Jay, and he came to me after the show. Oh, it turns out it was really hard for her to talk about it. Looking at her, she seems to be hesitant. Of course, she was really scared about Shaudi. Tell me that there is only capital in the entertainment industry. Well, that's why Shouty was pushing this girl to do some things about her. But thanks God, no one's happened. No one's bad happened to her. But Jiyan came in time to help her. There is no fairness. I am stupefied moment. This little girl, she can really bear to speak. But let's hope she will feel better after the scene. Right now, she seems to be worried. But I followed him back. Well, she seems to be having a little remorse about what happened. Of course, she's been tricked by Shouty. Right now, hearing this, the two teacher, he seems to be worried about the little girl. Little girl said to them, I can get fast. Get tricked by Shouty by agreeing something to her. Well, this must be tough. There's no more trouble for them in the future. Something like this, of course. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!